Welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be sharing my 5 top tips to have a clean home. Make sure to watch all the way to the end if you want all 5 and leave this video a thumbs up. Tip number 1 is always make your bed. Even if your room isn't in perfect condition, make sure that you make the bed every morning. It only takes a couple of minutes out of your day and it makes your whole bedroom feel completely different. Tip number 2, do your kitchen first. If you can, always try and do it before you go to bed, but if you are anything like me and you just can't get yourself into that routine, make sure that it's the first thing that you do in the morning. Don't leave a messy kitchen all day. A clean kitchen can lift your mood and get you ready for the day. I wash up, wipe down the sink, do the sides, and this whole routine only takes me about 10 minutes.
So sure of our love, I never thought of any reason, a doubt about us, and now I'm right back at the start. Halfway through a bottle, baby, and nothing's enough. I thought that I could keep it low, take it easy, take it slow. Take it easy.
My top tip number 3 is to hoover every day. You don't have to hoover your whole house, just hoover the most used areas in your home on a daily basis, focusing on your living room and the entrance hall areas. Tip number 4, get rid of clutter. Entrance hall is the first thing that you and any visitors are going to see, so get rid of any clutter, any coats, shoes, bags that you don't use that often, put them all away. Get a shoe rack to make it look more presentable and just try and keep the area as clear as possible. Tip number 5 is smell good, feel good, and I think this is my favourite tip of all 5. If your house smells amazing, you're going to feel amazing. I'm currently obsessed with the Sephora scent Mandarin and Lime, so I have that on my air purifier, and as it is autumn, you can get yourself some autumnal candles, keep those burning all day. It'll make your home feel all cozy and inviting. So these are my 5 top tips for a cleaner and more inviting home. Don't forget to subscribe for more of my top cleaning hacks, and I'll see you back here on Tuesday.